What's the deal? What's up, gang? What's up, chat? How you guys doing? What's everyone up to today, this morning? Yeah, my apologies. My wife is sick, so I'm on school bus duties. But we got news coming up here at 8:30 anyway. We weren't gonna trade before then. CPI here in 2.5 minutes. We'll let it play out, and we'll probably hop in after it settles down a bit. We are not trading CPI this morning. We'll trade the after effects CPI. Oh, you're human? Something like that. I'm gonna draw up some levels here. I mean, they're probably gonna change here as dailies really come up here. Wow. Will it flip at some point today? First good level. Next good level. That's a lot of range here. I don't like that. It's kind of mid-candle here on the hourly. Like that. That makes sense. That's what we just tapped, rejected. All right, lock in here. There's 10 seconds here for news. Actually, don't lock in. Let's watch the news play out. It'll be interesting. Not looking to take any positions here on a news candle. People at the Zoom door, come on in. Welcome. Good day, sir. Okay, even numbers, bad numbers. Gold should range or come down. I want to see this. And the rest of the day we have speeches. Yeah, there's FOMC member Barkin. Look out for Schmidt. Barkin and Kashkari, I don't know, but Schmidt, look out for that guy. Schmidt will fuck shit up. He'll fuck Schmidt up. Yeah, you get FOMC member Schmidt talking, you guys better watch the fuck out. Interesting. You're happy to take a huge Schmidt this morning? Well, damn. That's some Schmidt you do and don't tell nobody. Holy Schmidt. Goolsby's a stop hunter too. Careful. I don't see Goolsby on the schedule. We're good. Kenny and Nick? I don't know. Probably at the other stream. How was your Schmidt taking experience this morning? Bro, nobody gives a Schmidt. Zoom in, zoom without those two faces. Or without Dr. Holmes' bare chest. Goolsby speak for London close. Uh-oh. Goldschmidting right now. Yeah, I don't know. Lately, gold just pulls back in range, right? That's what we've been seeing. We get a drive, rebreak at the highs, and back in range. That's what we just had on the 1 minute. Had a pull, pulled back over here, rebroke the highs, and now gold is back in range. Like, why this pull? If you're gonna just come stay in here. That's heavy. That's a 102 pip 1 minute candle. That's a 1 minute candle over 100 pips. Yeah, I'll gladly stay out of this. Gladly. More people at the Zoom door. Come on in. Nas is wild? Nah, Nas is illmatic. Who remembers the firm? One person. Everybody else is a Generation Zer. Funky gold. Yeah, we would be taking this off the 5 minute back in the day too, not just the rebreak of the highs there, but off the 5 minute we would have took it here on the flip. It's just put this close below the range. Right? Why did the 1 minute do all that? We are not young. You're just old. It's not us, it's you. Hit the leg bottom. Sleepy Wicks? Yeah, I'm very sleepy. Hit the like button and the rock bottom. Hit the rock bottom, guys. Ooh, more people at the Zoom door. Took sleeping courses from Biden. This shit's contagious. No, bro, I got 68 kids. Gotta, like, one gets sick or two get sick, and I gotta, like, stay up all night and shit. Then they get each other sick, and it's like... It's doing the same thing on spot gold. How many screens you got? Yo, I'm the three monitor bandit. Who's gonna flip first here? Wow. Spot gold about to flip. What are we mirroring here? Where do we come up from? So if we come up from here. To here. Pull back to here. And then a push up to here. Interesting. So we technically need to come back and tap 2708, 2709 areas, and as soon as it does that, previously the market took off from there. Did we come back to there? Yeah, we just tapped it. Look at that. There's actually a 5-minute candle that tapped that area on the dot. If we don't break this previous 5-minute candle and start flipping, it is highly likely we break the highs. What's the advantage point here? 30. No, we're still below the range. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for that push to happen, and then I'll hop on. I will aggressively enter. What are you gonna do? You're gonna swing at your PC? Just throw the mouse at a wall as soon as you click buy? Maybe yell a little? Steve started learning pure price action strategy. Oh, no wonder he was a fan. Not a fan now, but I remember how he used to be fanned out. Because when the whole world love you, you only got one way to stand out. Why too much light in background? It's usually darker in here. I don't know why it's so bright. Please signal me thanking you. Okay, Mahmoud. You've been signaled. Yeah, let me turn down the lights. Hey, can you turn that sun off, please? I'm trying to stream. Thank you. Did it work? Nope, still bright as fuck. Your overlay glowing. Hell yeah, this shit's a disco. I don't know, gang. We got a couple of minutes. I'm just curious if we were right about this level, that we needed to come back, tap it, and drive up. Have a word with the man upstairs. What, the Canadians? Alright, first 15, since news dropped, is closing here, and that's closing bullish. Created a massive top wick. The 5 will close bearish though, holding resistance. So I'm still waiting here. It's most likely going to be a position in the next hourly candle. Says 74th win. Yeah, you're not giving me enough credit. 75. We are at 75 wins in a row right now. That's where the current winning streak stands. 75. No point for us to trade here? My point exactly. My point exactly, Robert. Yeah, I think if you guys need to have stuff to do or you need to take care of something, you got about 15 minutes. I think we're gonna watch this candle through. It's just, this isn't pretty. This isn't where we want to be in positions. We want this closure outside these ranges. Outside this 100 pip range from 12 to 2. All right, give me a second. I'm gonna step outside. Mary and Jane are here. Hello, ladies. You got 24 pips already? Okay. I got a goldfish. Goldfish lives for 3 days. Better than 24 pips, facts. No, I mean, like, since we're both talking about shit that don't matter, you know? Like, I might as well mention my goldfish. I think we got a little bit ahead of ourselves. We don't even have 420 viewers. Not even 420 in the concurrence right now. Hit that gas. Yeah. Might swerve. Whoa. That type of candle on the 15 should have a name. Yeah, it's called the news candle. The news. I mean, fuck it. We could call it whatever we want. I mean, who's gonna stop you? Is New York session daily now? As opposed to when? Like, yeah, that's the Schmidt candle. Do you trade into Asian session? Are you asking me if I'm gonna sit here for the next 12 hours? Let's not beat around the bush. Just be upfront. Be straightforward with what you're asking. Nightbot came in ready to work today. Man, I love trading. Yeah, I get that all the time. I concur. I mean, in what other industry are you the boss, the employee, and the customer? Red light district? No, you're not the customer. Oh, you are the customer, but if you're working there. What you smoking? Who, me? I don't smoke. Never smoke. Ooh, people at the Zoom door. Welcome. Nick in the building. Welcome. Breakdance moves go crazy. It's kind of cringe. I'm damn near 40. It's kind of cringe to me. Did you know that when you type in Raja's domain, it goes to something like Wix9? No, it doesn't. No way. I think it goes to Don's YouTube channel. No. Don't do that. Your body's saying you didn't went to the gym in 3 days. I went to the gym the day before yesterday. Yesterday I didn't go. If I get some rest today, I'll go. Who switched it? Yo, that's not nice. Hold on. You're telling me RajaBanks.com goes to my channel? No, it doesn't. It's not. It goes to Wix9.com? I don't even have a website. Chat, I swear I had nothing to do with that. I have nothing to do with it. Who the fuck bought that domain to switch it to my domain? Nah, give that shit back to Don. Yeah. All right, chat, we got 4 minutes here. It's a lovely push on this, just this 1 hour candle, right? 140 pips, 138. So let's look at areas where we can have some buys off a bottom wick. So long as this candle closes with a top wick. Who's counting their pineapples right now? Who's trying to figure out how many pineapples they can have? too sure about this level here. $90 seconds here for this 1 hour to close. The way it's pushing right now, it's pushing up in the last 5 minutes to close out the 4 hour, well, the hourly candle for our purposes. We might open with a top wick here. This needs to pull back, or it's going to be really tough trading the next hourly. Okay. 30 seconds. As long as we have a top wick on this candle, as long as the next candle opens with a bottom wick, these white lines here are entries for positions. Possible entry. How big is that top wick? 12 pips. Fuck. Yeah, broke the high here off the bat. So we just spoke about we might come up, make the top wick first, which means can we have some buys? I don't know. This is relatively small for that hourly candle. 9 pip top wick. And first thing we do is we break that high. It's minor resistance. Zoom door. Oh yeah, sorry, gotcha. Come on in. I didn't get a message from you. No, it's something with my driver. Hold on, let's see right now for a second. Hey, Jay, you there? Are you in Zoom? Hey, do you guys hear Jay on the YouTube side? Do you guys hear him on the YouTube side? He's speaking right now. Nope. Wait, hold on. How about now? Do you guys hear Zoom right now? How about now? Can YouTube hear my Zoom? No, they don't. No, they don't hear. How about now? Last try. Oh, no. He's testing it with the YouTube side, not the Zoom side. We know the Zoom hears him. All right. I'm gonna have to do this another time. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. All right, you guys hear me? All right, yeah, that's the important part, I guess. Okay, so you guys can't hear the conversation I have with Zoom, so that means sometimes, from time to time, you guys will hear me talk to myself. It's not me talking to myself, I'm just answering somebody in the Zoom. In your first 6 months of live streaming, how many active viewers did you get? At the 6-month mark, I was getting around 1,100, maybe 1,000 consistently. About double what we're doing right now. How to join Zoom? You gotta join the Signal channel. Or you gotta unlock the vault, right? The Wix9 vault, which will give you access to the market compass. What's the market compass? This guy. We can, well, I will navigate the markets. You just follow whichever direction the compass points to. Why half now? What do you mean? How's the shadow ban life? I don't know, you're tuning into it. This is it. A lot of Wix wisdom in the vault. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Why half the live viewers now? I don't know why half. I just know we're like at half of what we used to be. I mean concurrent viewers wise. Probably because of the T word. Or maybe because of the bots. Considering 73 straight wins. You guys keep giving me less credit than I deserve. First guy said 74. You said 73. Next guy's gonna say 72. Before you know it, I got one win under my belt by the time the stream ends. Let's get to a hundo. Yeah, I feel you. I'm just trying to get to 76. Let's get to 76. So about those 3 wins you have. It's technically only 2. Thanks, Tom. Can you guys leave some likes for the 71 win streak that we're on? All right. Every time somebody mentions it, they're just gonna go one down. Appreciate it. Only 33 likes. The fuck you doing, YouTube? Shadow banning. Thanks, Hank. Chat. Thank you for reminding me, Zach. Join our Discord. We're almost at 1,000. Almost at 1,000 members. 941 in there. Join our Discord. The link right there. Is that a working link? You guys should try it. Somebody tell me if that's a working link. It might be expired. That's the new one. In the description. Yeah. Yeah, they don't hear you, but I hear you. Yeah, there's Jay answering me that's the current link. No, I think the Nightbot got the right one. Jay got the right one. Sorry. Yep, Jay got the right one. You don't do Asian? Just a private session on Sundays with the Signal channel, and I do signals for Asian, so I still trade it. I just don't stream it, except Sunday. Sunday we stream it. You did not upload Asian Sunday. I just got to go into my studio and just click public on it instead of private, or instead of members. It's uploaded. It's on YouTube. It's just it's not public. Oh yeah. Nothing happened that session. We didn't have a trade, so it's like, yeah, and I don't know. I don't remember what we were talking about, but I remember something like that. Yeah, Chad, I'm not talking to myself. There's somebody in the Zoom talking to me. My stream goes so fast in the beginning. I don't know. I think our trading wasn't as nuanced as it is now. I mean, it's kind of simplified mayhem, but it's definitely much more nuanced now. I'm waiting to not print side by side. You see how these candles are next to each other? I'm waiting to not print side by side. Stacking buys? No, I'm not taking any positions after that top wick. I mean, it could reject here and start coming up, re-breaking the highs. But after that top wick, we can also just close back in range here. Next candle, top wick, and a drive down. This isn't set. It's not set up for me to enter yet. why the streams grow so quickly in the beginning. We just answer that. Are you guys paying attention? It's a strong area. You see these wicks right off these areas in here. An hour, 4 hour closes in 45 minutes, and this is what it looks like. It's a doji candle. We're right back to where we were at 6 a.m. I took 2 trades, total 110 pips. I'm here to learn your strategy. Bro, what? Nah, stick to what the fuck you doing. Don't switch up. It's the only time you'll ever hear me say, don't learn my strategy. Bro, you're doing fine. Continue doing exactly what you're doing. Why fix some shit that ain't broken? You got lucky? Well, then why mention you made 110 pips? Just say I'm here to learn your strategy. Are you joking? He didn't get lucky? I got you. What's all? Trading is the hardest way to earn easy money. Yeah, I've heard that before. Got a point. There's one thing I learned from you, it's risk management and learning to manage pineapples. Did all of that knowledge come from yesterday's stream? Might be a late move today, or a late entry for us. Yo, I'm back. What did I miss? What happened? Is Don done streaming? Looks, can we chat in day ones? Yeah, you're supposed to chat in day ones. Yes. No such thing as late entry. I mean, time-wise, like in stream, because I mean we've gotten pretty used to having positions or being 2 or 3 positions deep by like 9:30, right? back. Where'd you go? I didn't even know you were gone. You guys ever say BRB or LOL in real life? Like when you're hanging out and you need to like step away, are you like BRB? Using LOL in real life is crazy. Yeah, if I cracked a joke and somebody was standing next to me and instead of laughing they went LOL. Bitch, you better run, goddammit. I'll be tight. Alright, I'm down here. Can we break the low of the previous hour? That would also be technically the 4-hour low. Right, over here, the 4-hour low would break. There's 40 minutes left in this hour. It can happen. A lot can happen. We can also break the highs by 40 minutes from now. And take buys on the NYSE bottom wick. What if this candle flips before NYSE in the next 9 minutes? Bring ribs back. I want my baby back, baby back, baby back. Chili's. Baby back ribs. Barbecue sauce. Rejected hard off weekly. Yeah. You are not wrong. Low broken, not on the 4-hour. I'm talking about this low right here, 702. So for you, it would be if you're on spot gold, it would be the previous 4-hour low. Right? Let's go to spot gold. This is the low I'm talking about right here. 2682 for you guys. So about 100 pip difference, $10 difference. Chat, I don't think we've had maybe we've had one. I don't think we've had a stream where we didn't take a position. I'm talking about New York session stream. Bill's at the Zoom door. Fucker tapped every single one of our pineapple areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. NYC open here in 4.5 minutes. Seems to be holding support. I know we're bearish on this candle, but it seems to be holding support. Holding support and rejecting resistance. I just saw. Yeah, that's what I just looked at. 15. I think for me, for my purposes, because the 15, you're exactly right to look at the 15 here. I looked at it right before. For my purposes, right, with this 15 as a leg candle, closing in 2 minutes, right, it's closing below the most recent, right, because this now becomes a resistance area as well. I'm gonna need market to either continue this drive right now, start pushing, or it's highly likely we get buys on the next hourly. If we don't start pushing up on the 15 right now, we're most likely waiting for the next hourly candle, and we'll be looking at these same areas, all of these same areas marked up here for buys on the next hourly, even if this hourly closes bearish, right? It depends how bearish it will close. How bearish it closes will determine if we do have positions. Because if we get a bullish 4-hour above this range, even if it's weak 4-hour, as long as it's bullish above here, right? Look at the 2-hour. The 2-hour will leave a nice wick, nice strong push. We have a wick to fill, so we'll just base this off the higher time frame. It'll be lovely if we close bearish, but respecting it right above 2712.66. That would be lovely too. Because then, yeah, it closes bearish, but it closed bearish respecting this support, and this is a strong weekly area. So the next hourly bottom wick might be pretty heavy. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens. There's first of all, there's a 30 closing here. NYC Open is about to bust some accounts. So what you just explained, you think it in English or Russian? In English. It takes some time switching over. But like if I spend like half hour talking in Russian, I start thinking in Russian. Strong daily, strong weekly. We just looked at it on the weekly, right here across the board. Right there. Just rejected off of it. It's a weekly level right here. People at the Zoom door. Welcome. I'm going to take the only nap after this session. This is interesting. The 30 held this area. 4 hours still doji. $15 candle. Yeah. What happened to Javier? He's around somewhere, I think. You're holding buy trade at 60.7, waiting for 27.20. Oh yeah, I don't know. How long you been trading gold? 6.5 years, 6 years. I heard Don saying one time long ago, technically you guys could trade every 5-minute candle based on how it closes, determine what will happen in the next candle. Would you say the same? I would say we could trade every 5-minute candle. I would say it's a lot easier to do on like every hourly candle, because you're likelier to continue the trend than you are to change it. You'll see, you're likelier to see candles in a row of the same color than you are to see them changing back and forth. So candle close bullish, buy, 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 buy here, you lose. It closes bearish, you take sells on that. It's just, you know what I mean? Just technically you'd be ahead. Just using the logic of you're likelier to continue than to reverse. This is good. Oh, we can drop here below 2702. It'll be a range 2 breakout there. Technically I have a range 2 breakout happening here right now. Yeah, the news days have been really funky. They drive one way and then they come back the other way. It's like, wow. So this is what I was talking about. Breaking the 4-hour low. Jay, for your purposes, breaking the previous 4-hour low if you're on spot gold. And there it goes. It broke it, right? This is what we wanted to see. So on spot gold, oh yeah, you broke it. You broke it before. Broke it earlier. Interesting, because it should continue. This was a much easier read on spot gold. Lock in, gang. You might have positions coming up here. Seven minutes for the 15. Let's get a closure down here, maybe even if it's a 5. This is where I wanted to take a sell right there, just tap that area. But I really want a closure below, because we can just pull up and hold this support. So at least a 5, give me some kind of closure. How much would that have given us? Oh yeah, 15 pips, that would have been good. If we tapped it for a split second, that shows you how good of a level that was. But I gotta be honest with you, if I took that, you guys would have all took it like down here. Because that was a split second. That was a 15 candle. Five never closed below. Remember, we were waiting for the 5 to close. Did not close below, but it did leave some range. So we could come down here off this area. But I want that closure. Why do I have this level? That's the target if we break down here. You see how we were breaking down here? So that was the next support that I'm looking the market to head down to. Jay, we hear you. Jay, good. Oh, well, YouTube can't hear him. People at the Zoom door, gotcha. It's making its way down. Tapped our level and making its way down. I just wanted a closure below here. We would have been in here. $40 seconds here for this 15. You ever think about swinging? Not really. You mean like investing? We're still not good off the previous 5. No, maybe they were, but we closed respecting this support right here. You see how the 5 was coming down? I said I want a closure below 27.02. and it didn't. And now the next 5 also has not closed below. Maybe this next 5 will close below, right? But this is a 15. It's a 15 closure. If we're able to come up here to these highs, I'll take a sell. 27.08. I doubt it though. I think we're going to come down and end up closing below for the hourly. We'll see. I can't guess here because this is a support. Is that it? Yep. Looks like it. Yeah, I got 15 minutes for this hourly. Highly likely. Close below in the hourly. There we go. This is good. Why did I avoid it here? Because this was it was only a 5, a 15. Yeah. See, here's the deal. This was a 5 closure, right? You never had a 15 closure. But once the 15 closed, the 5 has already tapped this area, right? So if this happened on the 15, I'd probably take it, right? But this happened on the 5. We haven't had a single closure below, right? Which is telling me there's not enough volume to break into that range. Once we do get a closure below, I'll reevaluate. Like, what's happening right now is not the move for me, right? This is what's happening right now is what I need for me to start locking in on my edge. Spot close lower, yeah, but I gotta go based off the chart that I'm actually trading. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. People at the Zoom door. And still holding. You slept 6 or 5 hours? I had no sleep. I did not sleep since last night. How am I functioning right now? I said I'm gonna go have the only nap once we're done here. I'm used to it. I raised a bunch of kids, many sleepless nights. That's why I didn't take sells. How's the old man's birthday? It was amazing. It was great. Thank you for asking. We had a great time. This isn't too bad because, yeah, it's holding here, right? It's holding on the 15, holding the support. But if we're going to come up, next 15 is going to need to make a bottom wick. Which means if we open up with a top wick, can we trade to that bottom wick for the next 15? Or maybe it'll be a wick fill on the 30 and the 1 hour, we'll see. Seven minutes here. 7 minutes. Let's wait for this 1 hour candle to close. It's not bad because if we're pushing up right now, maybe to close out the candle, we'll have some bullish momentum for a top wick on the next hour. We'll see. I'm beat. I think I'm hungry, but I can't tell because I'm so sleepy. Maybe it's the munchies kicking in. I don't know. Kids are at school. I got free reign over the pantry. You might got some little fever too. Whatever you do, don't say bless you. Boss really doesn't realize how shitty work is compared to the market and streams. Can't wait for February. You're probably right. $30 seconds for this 1 hour. Lock it in, chat. Need a top wick. Boring. I mean, I can't make the market do what I want it to do. The flip was our advantage. The previous wick, the wick that it's filling right now, that would have been our full position. So that range is gone. No top wick given. 5 closing here. 20 seconds. Let's see, maybe this can pull back. Hour, no top wick. I'm not sure if we need one. What I would love for this to do is to close maybe on the 15, on the 30, and then the next candle come up, create this top wick. If the 4 hour flips, I'm still taking sells at this area. But I would want a closure first. We still never had, we've had a 5 close below, but we've never had a 15 or a 30. If we can have a 15 close below here, come up for a top wick, create a wick for this previous candle, which would also give this hourly 4 hour top wick as well, right? If we close like this, if we can do that, I'll look for sells up here. And at that point, actually the 4 hour would be bullish, the hourly would be bullish, right? So understand, you can see some drawdown. This will, as it starts coming up. But if you get a closure, which means volume, right? There should be enough volume to retest the lows. Closure outside the range, I mean. I'm also skeptical of this level. You see over here, this area, market went straight up when it held here. So let's see, maybe we can close below there. It'll make our job a lot more easier. I think there's 6-7 minutes left here on this 15. I want to take this. I can't. We have not had a closure below the range yet on the 15. Only the 5. It's the only time frame that's closed below. 4 minutes for this 15. It's a lot of time. This could reject here. Or we could be back up in range. Minutes. What a treat it would be if it creates the stop wick here, flips bullish, and then comes back down, closes below. Not quite, huh? $90 seconds for this 15 to close. A minute. Ten seconds. $27.01.7. get there. Chat, I'm gonna take a sell right here. 27.2700 flat, 0.8. Just took a sell. Might see quite a few pineapples here. It's a strong area we bounced off, but I think we should still retest the lows. There's quite a bit of range to come up. I'm taking a sell right here. Just took a sell. Right there. 27.02 flat. 27.01.9. Remember I said we could see a 4-hour flip here. That's possible, the hourly flip, but I'll be taking by sells at these highs then. Didn't really see much. 8-9 pips. Yeah, I saw about 8 pips. All right, gang, closing full right there for 36 pips. Congrats. Win number 76 in a row. Just closed 36 pips. That's what the fuck we waited for 2.5 hours. W. W, W, W. W. Patience pays. 76 straight W's. We mapped it out, we planned it out, and if you're still holding because you got the 5-minute rule, congratulations. Yeah, we'd be holding this. I'm telling you, March, April, May, we'll be holding these. I mean, this is what we waited for. Congrats. I know you see this steep red area. It doesn't exist. Pretend it doesn't exist. I just don't adjust it because it doesn't exist. We have no stops. We have just won our 76th trade in a row. 36 pips. Congrats. Aren't you trading gold? I'm trading gold futures. Gold futures. What happens March, April, May? Volume. A lot of volume. I'm very confident that these positions push through once they start rejecting and they just drive and drive and drive. How's that win 76 in a row? Well, so this is our win number 390. And the day we took loss number 52, we had 314. 390 minus 314 would be 76, right? 76 wins in a row. Now go to sleep. I'm going to sleep too. Congrats, everybody. You waited for 2.5 hours with me to cash 36 pips. W. Are you saying all 4 positions are all added to the total? Yep. The total combined of all positions was 36 pips. Why was you able to take this on the 15? Because the 1 hour and the 30 had no top wick, right? Yeah, but we know that the market is not static, it's dynamic, right? So if you go back to the 5 here, we already created that top wick, right? We pushed up. We had a chance to drive up here and flip on the 30 and hourly. We couldn't. We rejected and we came down, right? So once we rejected here, I'm not expecting this next candle all of a sudden start breaking highs. I'm expecting, because we rejected here, came back down, and the higher time frame closed bearish with the smaller time frame. So I'm not expecting that to drive up without making a bottom wick. So that's why we took a top wick entry there. It came down, made a bottom wick, and now it's coming back up. Right. But you don't need you didn't need this top wick based on the smaller time frame, right? So I said market's dynamic. There's always more data with every candle closure, and once this candle printed, we didn't, and the 30 closed below, and the 15 closed below, we didn't really need the top wick here. We were going to retest the bottom of the range, so that's why I took those wick entries. Yeah, I saw the same thing. Good to see the same things. Was asking to be sure. Nice. Nice. How did my spot gold traders do? Did you have those positions? Good IBE. Why? 5-minute rule? Held till the flip. Nice one. On spot. 10 pips. Thanks for the lesson. Appreciate it. Got you. Easy dubs. Easy dubs. The hard part is the waiting, right? But we get paid to wait. That's what we get paid for. You're off? Yeah, I'll hang out here for a little bit. I might be here till for another half hour, 40 minutes. Maybe see this hour through. Can we push again? If we start pushing down, re-breaking lows here, I'll have more positions. So peace out. Oh, well, if you guys are dipping, hold on. Before a whole bunch of you dips, because we might have positions, but if you guys dip, the content isn't the same. You know what you got to do. You know what you got to do, chat. Oh, too soon. You guys are too quick. You're going to spam yourselves out. All right. Spam some fucking dubs for that 36 pip win. No, we drove way past the original position. If we go back here, hold on. This was the original position right here. We drove way past it all the way down here. Like you could have had your 10 pips and whatever the difference was here. Right there. Oh. Well, you guys caught a lot more than me last week. I guess we're even. I got it. Right in that split second. That happens a lot because you're closing out at a support or resistance, right? So you're closing out at a level. As we tap a level, we get out of the position, and that's why it's seeing some kind of reaction there. Yeah, if you got a lot of positions. Oh, sorry, YouTube can't hear you. Yeah, Jay's saying that it just takes a second. If you got a lot of positions, it takes a split, like a second. And when we're closing out, like it would, you know, if you're closing out 5, 6 positions, 8 positions, and we're closing out at a support or resistance, it could bounce in that split second for 2 or 3 pips. That's the nature of the game we play. I really think we're going to come back down bearish here. We spoke about this. Very close right there, that level. Didn't quite get there. Right, 15 closes below. If we can re-break that high, we can look for positions there. But we already made the bottom wick, so I wouldn't be looking for positions just yet. Right, because with that bottom wick, chance we come up, chance we close bullish back up in range here. There's only 90 seconds left here, so you could have probably, if you took the wick there, what is that? Oh, it's 20 pips. It probably still closes bullish in range here, but you could have played that advantage. How do you know for a fact I'll take another position? Oh, yeah, I see. Marketing, yeah, good. Yep, definitely, 100%. Smart. Smart. Got a top wick now on the 4 hour. We saw breaking down here. It's going to be lovely. Oh, wait, the 30's closing here in less than a minute. But it's holding support. It's holding the most recent area, right? And 15's closing back in range. You need more candles. Hank, you mind leaving some pips for the rest of us? Please, bro. Please. People are missing pips, and you're hoarding them. There's a 30 closure. 30 close bearish. Weak bearish. Should flip. 15 should flip. Damn, fuck, I forgot I was on mute. Assistant on MT5 market from Yevgeny Kravchenko will help you bulk, close, or manage easily. Silly goose, thank you. Is that you? Are you Eugene? Are you Zhenya? Promoting your own shit? You silly goose. I used to say that all the time. Silly goose. Remember? Cold, you silly goose. I used to call Gold that. Mute or what? Oh, that's up to you. You can mute if you want. .2 pips. 8 or 9 pips. How? You guys are taking 2 positions probably while I'm taking 4. That's why. Yeah, 36 was a combined total of 4 entries. Took 4 positions around 20 pips. Yeah. But Melody, are you on spot gold or are you on futures? Yeah, CFD. So I guess that's where the discrepancy is. On futures, do you use an ATM? What do you mean? That was an ATM. No. I click the button manually. I open and close manually. On future, I just click the X next to the position and it closes it out. Do you click 4 times to open the position on MT5? Is there a bulk opening option? No, I click every position. I click individually. Our first entry was I took 2. Our first level, right, where I said I'm taking a sell, I took 2 entries there. I do that probably not always, but 95% of the time I take 2 entries initially. And then I took 2 more entries on a pineapple. Is it better to aim for 10 pips and just there's no better or worse here. It's just, you know, there's more than one way to skin a cat. It's however you do it, as long as you're making money. I don't know if it's better or not. Like I do what I'm comfortable with, right? I operate based on my relationship with money, and this is where my comfort levels are at this point in my career. So I trade. Are there people more profitable than me? Of course. There's people less profitable than me. I'm on my own journey. I'm staying in my own lane. 4.8K payout. That's a W. You gonna feel that. Second payout 2 weeks into the year. Bro, that's incredible. That's great. Yeah, chat, I finished the J that was outside. Now I gotta do this shit. Kind of stuck with this shit now. What's going on in there? There we go. Oh, there was a stem in there. That's what it was. All right. And that's it. It's rolled. Just like that. Hell yeah. Hey DJ, bring that back. This is literally the best present I've gotten in a long time. $43 trades today, 0 losses, all 10 pips. It's fucking wild. Yo, my brain would be fried if I'm taking 43 separate positions. Yeah, maybe 10 positions like on one breakdown, like on one trade, right? Different, just enter in different parts of it. But 43 separate trades is freaking wild. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just I can't do it. Damn. I don't know why I'm advertising my fucking 76 straight wins. Hank got 43 straight dubs in one session. Hey, congrats Don Julio. You got Don Julio, Ectofulio. Shit, still not profitable. That's crazy. That is really crazy. That's a dub. Wow, you're all winners today. Congrats. Good job, guys. Oh, hold on a second, chat. Year 3, maybe this year. That seems like the right timeline. Rolling J before I head into work. Light up wicks. I will in a minute. Seven years trading, 3 years profitable. It's about the average. That's what I hear from people, right? 2 to 3 years roughly to get some consistency. $100 trades, all wins, 1 pip each. After commission, I'm in drawdown. Owe my broker $60. Yeah. Broker's always the winner. We win or lose, but broker will get the commission. Unless they're B-booking you, then they get your money as well. Alright. 15 closed, bearish. Still printing side by side. We want to avoid being stuck in a barcode, so let's break out. Let's break down. Let's do something. Yo, Prodigy, can you give Eddie his keyboard back? Heard he's been looking for it. Eddie, I found your keyboard. Prodigy got it. Market is dead. Well, if we go to the 30, which isn't really a high time frame, right? Just middle of the range. Look what the fuck we've been doing. It's not dead. We've been driving down. It's just we've kind of ranged for the last few 15-minute candles, like 1, 2, 3, 4, for the last hour. It'll move again. You paying for the plane ticket, Don? You paying for the flight to NYC? You're in Wellington? Yeah, I can see how that would be tough to put in your name. Like NYC is cool, but you can't be like Don Julio Wellington. Any relation with the steak by any chance? Yeah, I wouldn't put, like, what are you gonna put? The hood? The Wellington hood? Yeah, I don't blame you for leaving NYC in there. I claim this 5-star community. I push drugs here. I push the tan and lotion around this motherfucker. All right. You want a spot by the pool? You got to go through me. Do something. Chat, you know how people tell you like they've never seen like traders that are profitable? Never, because they're all on this stream. Like I think we are the 2%. The entire 2%. You guys killed it today for the most part. I'm looking around, everyone did really well. It's been a lot of volume. It just hasn't set up. Eventually the candles end up looking like you want them to, but they don't print at the moment the way we need them. That's why we waited for 2.5 hours. We've had these days too, right? Now, who doesn't love days with only one pineapple? If we only take one pineapple, it's a winter day. Yeah. Winner chicken dinner. I'm just trying to get that 77. Doing a victory march through DC on the 19th? Nah, you can't do that. You know what would be the safest thing for him to do that? I mean, you can't be like, what are you gonna do? Be bubble boy? Just put yourself in a bulletproof bubble, kind of roll down the block? No, well, I think the safest thing for him to do, like, you know how you can guarantee nobody making an attempt on his life? If he brings Barack Obama for that walk. If he's gonna do the victory march through DC and he's just like, Barack, come through. He can walk He can walk without security in that case. Barack Hussein Obama. His plane parked down the block from me. I hate it when that shit happens. Every time he's in West Palm, there's fucking stupid traffic. And it's not even because he's there, it's because all the protesters that follow him everywhere he goes. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous, I tell you. Flip the tape. Okay. This is good. Uh, 5 more minutes. Let's see. Maybe you can do it. You can do it. Again, on spot gold, got a fraction of the pips. Go to futures. Again, right? Because as it's printing at that moment, right? If you're on gold, if you're on spot gold, you have to lock into your chart and match up the resistances there. Because the wicks for candles here, they don't print exactly the same. There's a lot of similarities, but it's not exactly the same as spot gold. Ananasna? That's not a word. It would have to be ananasova, not ananasna. It's a little Russian grammar lesson. The Pineapple Gang. Thank you, Prodigy. Three minutes here, and I am looking for some top wick entries. If we can drive down, that would be great. I don't want to hold this most recent support. Let's see. Push, goddammit. If it doesn't push now, the next hourly might start with that bottom wick. Which would eat away at what we're trying to take advantage of. 30 seconds here. I don't want to hold this support. $30, $15, $30, 1 hour. Everything is bearish. Everything. And the 5 hasn't really flipped. Let's see, 10 seconds here. We might have positions here based off the hourly, but if that's the case, I need a steep top wick. I need a wick up here. It's not actually that as steep as you think. 20 right here, 2702.6 or .7. Why steep top wick? I want to take it closer to the top of the 5-minute range. But that idea is gone. You're gone. You're gone. You're gone. It just came down. Not much of a top wick. 2 pips. Give you a 2-pip top wick. Created this bottom wick first. We held the range on the 15. We held the support here on the 5. The 30 closed with almost no bottom wick. Pretty much no one. First thing we did was open up with a bottom wick. Yep. This is likely to come up. Unless we once again re-break the lows and start getting a bearish push. A re-break out of lows here on this same candle might actually drive to the bottom of the range. How much you have? 25 pips. Let's see where it bounces from. If it even bounces. Yeah, it's looking like it's gonna take a candle or two to set up. Chat, you know what? Let's take this to the signal channel. It's probably gonna need another 15 or 30 closure, just because we made this bottom wick first. Yeah, it can still reflip and come down. This is a strong resistance, but I'd want an actual closure. I want a closure outside this range, this 5 and this 15-minute range that we've created and that we just held. Okay, so I think we'll call it a session here for the New York session. We waited 2.5 hours for position. We got our 36 pips, win number 76 in a row. Patience won the day. All right, you get paid to wait, so don't Don't dread waiting when that's what you get paid for. Okay, and executing. You're paid to wait and execute. All right. Oh shit, Kenny at the bottom of the pyramid today. What's going on? Damn, they treating you like the redheaded stepchild, dog. You not even part of the family right there. It's crazy. I'm gonna need you at the top. All right, yeah, I'm gonna call it a session. Gang, if I see anything, if it sets up for us, I'll call it in the signal channel. Probably for the next half hour. I'm beat. I want to get knocked. So, but I will pay attention to this next 30-minute candle. The 15, the 30. I'll pay attention to it to see if we have any opportunities. If we do, if it sets up. Once again, I'll call it in the signal channel in the vault. And everybody else, see you guys tomorrow morning, right? 8 a.m. Eastern. Mods, thank you for helping me run the stream. Chat, love and wisdom to you all. Zoom gang, appreciate all you guys. Oh wait, hold on. We did not flex. Let's go. Let's do a little flex. Oh yeah, get the blood flowing. There you go. Yeah, Nick flexing, Kenny flexing. Dr. Holmes, please don't flex right now, dog. I'm not sure what's going on with you, Cam. All right, chat. Great session. Another dub. Let's get number 77 tomorrow. All right. That's our session. As for me, my time here is up. You guys already know the deal. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. Be careful. Don't overtrade. Don't overleverage. I don't know what my tongue just started rolling before I could even think what I was saying. Don't overtrade. Don't overleverage. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later!
Break out the red panties.